Okay, everyone, never, ever, 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 ever mess with the light switch anywhere outside of your own house, especially in a public building, even in somebody else's house. So when you are in somebody else's house during a party they are throwing, because you got invited to that party, when you are there, never ever do this. Unless you are going to the bathroom, or if you are told by the host that you can turn on or off the light. But if it's not for those reasons, you do not mess with this. Or else you will be banned from that party. And especially don't do this in a public building. Or else you will be kicked out of that building. And if you do it at school, you will get suspended and expelled from school. You will get grounded by your parents. And especially never ever mess with these if they control emergency equipment or HVAC systems that must stay on at all times. To protect people during extreme temperatures and if there is an emergency inside the building. Now, in your own house, you can do this, but outside of your own house, do not. Unless you have permission, or if you really need to turn on the light. Like if you are going to the bathroom. Also, you don't take the fixture off the ceiling. You don't paint it. You just leave it alone. Goodbye.